Hello, all of you are very welcome on LocalWell YouTube channel. In today's video we will learn how you can remove expired medicines from LocalWell app. In maximum cases, your expired products are returned after purchase, but if they are generic medicines then the distributor does not take them back. So it is very important to remove them from the software. Otherwise, there will be a difference between the stock that is in your shop and the stock that you have updated in the LocalWell app, and this will lead to stock mismatch. So to remove the expired product, first open the LocalWell app. After that, you will see the fourth option from the bottom on the left hand side, stock options. If you click on it, you will see 4 options here: physical stock audit, product setting, print barcode labels and bulk upload stock. So you have to go to the first option, physical stock audit. After coming to physical stock audit, you will see an option on the right hand side top, new audit. So if you press F2, you will get 3 different options for new audit. First is checking stock mismatch, second is removing expired goods, and third is bulk upload previous stock. So you have to click on the second option. Now after coming to removing expiry goods, you can select the date range of the product you want to remove. For that, you have multiple options on the left hand side. So for now let's take an example and load expiry goods from 1st January to 20th March. After selecting the date range, you go to step 2. After that you will see here that all your products which have expired in that particular date range have been loaded. Now to remove these expired medicines, you will see the first option at the top, finish audit. For that, press F4 and click on yes, finish now. Now you will see that all those products have been removed, and here at the bottom you will also know what was the total value of those products. Similarly, for informative videos related to the LocalWell app, subscribe to our YouTube channel today. Like the video. And if you want, you can directly WhatsApp us for any help related to LocalWell. Thank you.